increasing the amplifier's gain until reaching clipping. Distortion is highlighted by the square wave and is the main cause of speaker burnout. Adjusting the audio limiter. The sine wave is restored to its ideal form. With the limiter activated, distortion is avoided even when turning up the volume. The LED indicates the audio limiter's activity. Reducing the audio limiter's action brings back the distortion. With the limiter set to its maximum, there's no distortion, even with the volume at its peak.